Okay, so we're gonna get into this. Like, look. Oh, let me turn my screen around. Okay, so look at this. This is how the hair was before, obviously. And this is how I got it to be. Straight, like bone straight. Like too straight. Like, yes, this hair straightens really good. Really good. And you see my hands are going through it. It's silky. Don't pay attention to the top of my head yet, but okay, I don't even know how this looks right now though. We have to fix some things. Don't mind her. Okay, and this is how the hair came. This is like the original pattern, but this has been through some things because it's been thrown everywhere because of moving and stuff. But yeah, look at this. And this is how the curls still came up to be after coloring, and then how it's straightening. Like, it's some good hair. Recool hair, y'all doing something. Y'all really doing something. But yeah, I'm gonna continue to straighten it over here. Only some, because I don't like super long videos, and y'all already know how I straighten my hair with the bio silk and whatnot. But I will do a couple passes just so you guys can see. As you can see, the hair straightened really good. Like, for it to be water wave, it straightened really bone straight. The hair is flowy, soft, and I did wash it before. Well, did I use shampoo? Yeah, I did use shampoo. I shampooed and conditioned it before this video. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.